Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoop here. I want to make a bit of a different video, just about this one video on BitBoy's channel. I usually don't watch his content, but I don't know why, but I clicked on this. I was looking for Plan B because with crypto and stuff and seeing any of his videos, and I just started watching this, even though Plan B's not in it or anything. But I found this segment really interesting because I completely agree with Naomi Brockwell or Naomi. So I just wanted to show it. Let's see what happens. I completely disagree with Stash or Crypto Stash and everyone else. Naomi Brockwell is completely correct with everything she just said. I don't think they're understanding what she's saying at all because she gave a perfect example of why she believes in the way she says. Not the wrong strategy at all. Yeah, they're losing money. All right, so basically, I mean, she gave a perfect example. I really don't know how to like reword it or anything. I mean, there's really nothing for me to say, but I guess I can explain it to myself or like the way I'm understanding at least of what she's saying. So how I understand what she's saying is that if you're so bullish on crypto, you think it's the future and you hate fiat and you don't want any, should not own any fiat whatsoever. Now, if you only own crypto, then you're gonna need to find ways to use your crypto to buy things because it's not like you can never buy anything, right? You're gonna need food or you're gonna need clothes or something, right? Most people use Amazon every day, right? So a lot of people use Fold app, right? To buy gift cards, they use a debit card, but that's still using fiat. You're not fully in crypto if you have fiat and then earning crypto on your fiat. Instead, like she said, use Purse.io. Uh, I think it has Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash for it, and you can search for anything on here, and you can buy like anything. I mean, like look this thing right. Add to cart, and then view cart. Proceed to checkout, and then you name your discount, right? And I can save $14 on this, right? Of course, the estimated delivery time might be higher. I might not get any people who want to take 33% off on getting non KYC Bitcoin or whatnot from Purse.io, but I can lower it down, and most people are going to accept 15% discount. So, I mean, it saves me $6.54, right? Of course, there's the purse fee, the total savings, or total, but sometimes the savings and stuff doesn't necessarily work that well. But other times it does really amazing deals. So if you're fully in crypto, why wouldn't you use Purse.io or like things like it? Because you need, I mean, and not only that, but if you're buying crypto, you should hodl it, right? But think about it as if you were using only fiat, right? A lot of people who aren't investors and aren't like trying to preserve their wealth or anything, they just talk about saving money, saving money, right? And they just want to load up their savings account in their bank or something like that. They're obviously saving money, but then they also need to spend money for their daily expenses. So you can do the same with Bitcoin, right? Save a ton of Bitcoin, invest a ton into Bitcoin, and then you can and then of course you can spend what you need because you have to spend money to buy things that you need as well. And when you spend the crypto, you're going to need to find ways to do it for cheap. So this is like the perfect option. So, they all said she's wrong and that you should spend fiat instead, but you should be fully in crypto in the first place. Even if you're using USDC or USDT or anything like that, like Tether, you should definitely use crypto. Even if you had to convert your USDC or USDT to like Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash to then get a discount per style, it's like the perfect solution. You can actually get a lot of discounts in a lot of places by spending your crypto. Of course, it doesn't sound good when you say you're spending your crypto, but if you're fully in crypto, then you have to spend it. How else will you? If you're someone who's just simply investing in Bitcoin and then you're hodling it and that's the only way you're in crypto, right? Then and you have a bank account, you use fiat, and save a ton of fiat to then buy the dips. I mean, everyone has their own strategy, but the way that she's talking is completely correct. If you're fully in crypto, don't have a bank account or anything like that, then that's the way to go of what she's saying. At least that's what I think. Let's see if they say anything else. All right, what he just said is something that is understandable to a certain degree, but not in the way that Naomi is explaining it. Probably not pronouncing her name correctly, but this guy is just completely wrong in what he's saying. I understand where he's coming from, but he's not understanding what Naomi's saying. Anyways, it's because personally, I've spent Bitcoin on food before. I didn't get any percent back, and the thing is, even though I did that back when Bitcoin was $10,000 and now it's like 40,000 or 50,000, so it's like that food costed me 4 or 5 times the amount. That's not necessarily true. Like it's not like that actually costed me that much more, because the reason I bought that Bitcoin was literally to buy the food in the first place. Or if I was fully into Bitcoin, 100% into crypto, then and I needed food as a necessity. You need food to live. Then it's not like I spent 4 or 5 times or 100 times the amount, when he's comparing like how Matic did 100x. And he's saying, well, you saved 33%, but instead, if you just used fiat and saved nothing and kept your Matic or whatever, then you'd be 100 times more the amount of money. But the thing is, you're not, you don't have fiat in the first place. Just she's talking about being fully into crypto, and he even mentioned being fully into crypto as well with the all-in mindset. So he obviously isn't understanding what she's saying. All right, yeah. See, he's just saying the same stuff, so it's not really making much sense. Yeah, exactly. All right. So yeah, basically what she's saying is, if you're bullish on crypto and you think it's only going to go up, you should be fully into it, right? And if you're fully into it, well, then you have to spend your crypto, right? If you're someone who's not fully into it, then yeah, you should not spend your crypto. You don't want to lower your holdings, but sometimes if you're fully into crypto, you literally have to spend it. So, and if you have to spend it, don't just spend it a regular way. Use like Purse to get like a 33% discount. So it's like a perfect solution, and it's way cheaper. You get a way bigger discount compared to using your fiat as well. So yeah, I understand what she's saying. I don't think these guys really understand her at all, but yeah, she's making perfect sense. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more future content like this. It's a bit different, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.